Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So let's continue our chapter 2, long and short. You open page number 17 of textbook. Have you heard about a marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? आपने कभी मैराथन रेसेस के बारे में सुना है? पीपल को कितना रन करना होता है? 40 किलोमीटर्स. People run marathons on road because the track of the stadium is only 400 meters. मैराथन रेस जो है वो रोड्स पे होता है because the track of stadium का जो ट्रैक है that only 400 meters. So now our question is that 10 rounds of a stadium track is equal to dash kilometers. So let's see explanations on board. 10 rounds of a stadium track is equal to dash kilometer. So here first it's given in the questions का stadium track है 400 meter. We have to find for the 10 rounds. So for 10 rounds, so what to do here? We have to do the multiply. 1 rounds के लिए दिया है. We have to find for the 10 rounds. So 400 meter multiply 10 rounds. What answer will come? 400 multiply 10, that means 4000 meter. But in the question we have to write in kilometers. So 4000 meter को we will convert in kilometers. How we will convert? 1000 kilometer means 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer. So what answer will come here? 4 kilometer. So our next question is, so if you run a marathon on the stadium track, you will have to complete dash round. अगर आपको मैराथन स्टेडियम ट्रैक पे करना हो तो कितने राउंड कंप्लीट करने पड़ेंगे? सो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ मैराथन रेस इज इक्वल टू 40 किलोमीटर, दैट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, एंड स्टेडियम ट्रैक डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1 राउंड दैट इज ऑल्सो गिवन, दैट इज 400 मीटर. सो व्हेन वी डिवाइड 1 round with the total number, so we get the answer number of rounds. Okay, total दिया है and stadium track 1 round distance दिया है, so we do the divisions and we get the number of rounds. But for doing the divisions we need the same unit. Total length is given in 40 kilometer, that is in kilometer, and 1 round distance in meter. So first we have to make the same unit. So 40 kilometer we will convert in meter. How can you convert 40? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 40 kilometer is equal to 40 multiply 1000 meter. That means 40,000 meter. Understood how to convert kilometer in meter? Okay, so 40,000 meter. Now this is also meter. One round distance is also meter. Now when we can do the divisions. So 40,000 divided by 400 meter. Understood? I already told you in the first chapter, this 40,000 in numerator and 400 in denominator. So when numerator and denominator last two digits both are 0, so we can cut it. Otherwise 400 divided by 40,000. 400 ones are 400 and 2 0 left. That means how many rounds will come? 100. Understood? So you have to complete 100 rounds on the stadium track by completing the marathon race. Understood, students? Now the next topic is long jump. This you can see the picture here. This is the long jump for boys. Students, do you know how to play the long jumps? Long jumps को कैसे खेलना होता है? See, can you see the first line which is given here? This line. Okay, the boys are running from the far distance. जो बॉय का टर्न होता है वो फार डिस्टेंस से रनिंग करता हुआ आता है एंड ही डू द जम्प फ्रॉम दिस लाइन. और जो वहाँ जहाँ पे भी स्टॉप होता है वहाँ पे वी हैव टू मेक द मार्क. And afterwards, suppose he stop on this line, so we will make the mark with the line, and then afterwards we have to measure the distance between the two lines. और वो जो distance होता है that is the long jump of that boys. Understood about this? Okay, so now our next one is that Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeter. धनु ने लॉन्गेस्ट जंप किया 3 मीटर 40 सेंटीमीटर का। गुरजीत इज सेकेंड, गुरजीत सेकेंड आया है। हिज जंप इज 20 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन धनु, गुरजीत का जंप 20 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन है धनु से। नाउ गोपी कम्स थर्ड, गोपी थर्ड आया है। हिज जंप इज ओनली 5 सेंटीमीटर लेस देन गुरजीत, गोपी जो थर्ड आया है उसका जंप 5 सेंटीमीटर सेकेंड है सेकेंड वाले यानी गुरजीत से। नाउ आवर क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ लॉन्ग आर गुरजीत एंड गोपी जंप्स। Now I will explain on board. Now Dhanu's longest jump is 3 meter 40 centimeter and Gurjeet's jump 20 centimeter less than Dhanu. और धनु से 20 centimeter less है, तो what to do here? We have to do the subtraction from the Dhanu's distance. Okay, so for subtraction what to do? Here the number is given in meter and centimeter, so we have to do the subtraction also as per meter and centimeter. So first we will write one side meter and another side centimeter. 3 is a meter, so on meter below we write 3 and 40 centimeters. So below centimeter I write 40. Okay. Now we have to subtract 20 centimeter. So less है, that means subtract करना है 20 centimeter. So I will write in the place of centimeter column. 20 is a centimeter. There is no number on meter, so I will put 0. The same subtraction which you are doing every time. 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3. So what is the Gurjeet jump? Is equal to 3 meter and 20 centimeter. Understood students? Now we have to find the distance of Gopi's jump. That is 5 centimeter less than Gurjeet's jump. So we already found the answer of Gurjeet's jump distance 3 meter 20 centimeter. उससे भी 5 सेंटीमीटर उसका कम हुआ है. So again we have to do the subtraction. Here subtraction of meter and centimeter unit. So again we write the meter one side and centimeter another side. So 3 is a meter and 20 centimeter. So 20 write on the centimeter column. Minus 5 centimeter less than. So 5 subtract करना है from where place? Centimeter. So 5 I will write here. Don't put the 5 here because it becomes 50. So take it above to write 5. Here you put 0. Here again 0. Now do the subtraction. The same way 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to borrow from here. So it becomes 1 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. So Gopi's jump is equal to 3 meter. 3 is on meter place. So I will write 3 meter. 15 is on centimeter place, so 15 centimeter. Understood students how to find the answers? I hope you understand about all the topics which I explained on board. If you any queries regarding any topics, you can write in comment box. Dear students, kindly complete your work in textbook as well as notebook regularly basis. Thank you students.